Are you considering an exterior home renovation in Boca Raton? Look no further. Our video covers all the frequently asked questions about Boca Raton exterior home renovation. We'll also show you how to avoid common mistakes when hiring home remodeling contractors in the area. From windows and doors replacement to overall exterior remodeling, we've got you covered. Not checking references is a common mistake when hiring a contractor. It's easy to be swayed by a good sales pitch, but without checking references, you might end up with poor quality work. Always ask for references and follow up with past clients. To avoid this mistake, always ask for references. Follow up with past clients to get an honest review of the contractor's work. This will give you peace of mind. And ensure you're hiring a reliable contractor for your Boca Raton exterior home renovation. Choosing the lowest bid is another common mistake. It's tempting to go for the cheapest option, but the lowest bid often means lower quality materials or workmanship. This can lead to costly repairs down the line. Consider the quality of work and reputation of the contractor, not just the price. Look for reviews and testimonials. A higher bid might save you money in the long run. Quality work is worth the investment for your Boca Raton home. Not getting a written contract is a mistake you must avoid. Verbal agreements can lead to misunderstandings. Without a contract, you have no legal protection if something goes wrong. Always get a detailed written contract. Outline the scope of work, timeline, and payment schedule. This ensures everyone is on the same page and protects you legally if issues arise during your Boca Raton exterior home renovation. Ignoring credentials and licenses is a major mistake. Unlicensed contractors might offer lower prices, but they often lack the necessary skills and insurance. This can put your home and finances at risk. Ensure the contractor is licensed, insured, and has the necessary credentials for the job. Check their license status online. This guarantees you're hiring a qualified professional and protects your investment in your Boca Raton exterior home renovation. Lack of communication is a mistake that can lead to frustration. If your contractor doesn't communicate effectively, you might be left in the dark. This can delay the project and cause unnecessary stress. Choose a contractor who communicates effectively. They should keep you updated throughout the project. Good communication ensures the project runs smoothly and keeps you informed every step of the way. Here are the most asked questions about Boca Raton home remodeling contractors. These FAQs will help you make informed decisions and ensure your exterior home renovation project goes smoothly. How long have you been in business? We have been in business for 10 years and have completed over 100 successful projects. Do you provide free estimates? Yes, we offer free estimates for all potential projects. Can you provide references from past clients? Absolutely. We have a list of satisfied clients who can vouch for our work. What is your payment schedule like? Our payment schedule is outlined in the contract and typically involves a deposit upfront and payments throughout the project. Do you have insurance? Yes, we are fully insured to protect both our clients and our team. How long will my project take to complete? The timeline for each project varies depending on the scope of work, but we will provide a detailed timeline before starting. Will I have a dedicated project manager? Yes, you will have a dedicated project manager who will oversee every aspect of your project. Do you offer a warranty on your work? Yes, we offer a warranty on all of our work to ensure your satisfaction. Can I make changes to the project once it has started? We are flexible and can accommodate changes during the project, but additional costs may apply. What sets your company apart from other remodeling contractors? Our attention to detail, quality craftsmanship, and customer satisfaction are what set us apart from the competition. Call now at 561-282-6067 for expert advice on finding the perfect windows and door renovation contractors in Boca Raton. Let's make your dream home a reality.